Super easy to make and delicious chicken marsala. Coming up. To begin, we are slicing 2 pounds of baby portabella mushrooms. Make sure to rinse under cold water and remove all the dirt. We are going to need 2 shallots, minced, 3 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced, about half a cup of fresh parsley, chopped, 3 chicken breasts, and we're going to cut them into thin slices. The best way to do this is with a carving knife. Let me show you one more time. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Let's give it a toss. Sprinkle salt and pepper on this side as well. Give it a final toss and set it aside. Now, in a pan over medium-high heat, add in extra virgin olive oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add in the mushrooms, season with salt and black pepper to taste. Continue cooking over medium-high heat and let the mushrooms turn brown. And after a few minutes, add in the shallots, followed by the garlic. Cook until the shallots and the garlic become fragrant, about 2 minutes. Now, get the mushrooms off the heat and set them aside. Here we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Season the flour with salt and black pepper to taste. Give that a mix. Now, dredge the chicken cutlets in the flour. Do this one by one and set onto a different plate. Then, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, add in about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Place the chicken in the hot oil, and we're going to brown it for about 2 minutes per side. We're not trying to cook the chicken here. We just want to brown it. And remember, 2 minutes per side. Do not overcook the chicken. Oh, and one more thing. Do this in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. The chicken is looking great. That's the color that you are looking for on each side. These guys are done. Let's move on to the next step. Now we are deglazing the pan with 2 cups of Marsala wine. The wine should not flare up, but if you want to be extra safe, turn the heat off while adding the wine. Then turn the heat to high and let the wine reduce to about half. And after a few minutes, once the wine has reduced, add in 1 cup of chicken stock. Bring the chicken stock to a boil, and after 2 minutes, bring the mushrooms back and add them into this pan. Continue cooking on high until the sauce reduces to about half. After the sauce has reduced, bring the chicken back into the pan. Now turn the heat to low and continue cooking for about 10 minutes, nice and slow. We want the chicken to be super soft and tender. And after 10 minutes on low, finish it up with fresh Italian parsley, a few branches of fresh thyme, then toss it all in. Turn the heat off and add the last ingredient, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Mix the butter in. The butter is really going to make the sauce come to life. That is it. We are done. Now you are ready to eat. You may enjoy it with pasta, rice, potatoes, anything you like. And there you guys have it. So delicious, so easy to make, and yet so affordable. Chicken Marsala. Enjoy. Buen provecho. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and before you go, watch this delicious recipe and that other yummy recipe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, thanks for watching.